This conference will now be recorded.
Hi, everyone. I just wanted to go over a little bit how to log your activities and your reading badges. So this is the desktop version of Beanstack. There is also our Beanstack app, which is Beanstack Tracker app. And the app looks a little bit different when you're logging than the laptop. So I will have a separate tutorial for that. But for now, I just wanted to make sure that you are aware of how to log both your activities and your reading. So when you come to the home page, this is what your screen should look like. Make sure at the top, on the top left, with the drop-down box, you are on the correct reader. So an adult, you could be on the adult reader, your teen reader, or your child reader. I'm on the child reader right now. All of the badges and all of the challenges work in a similar way when you're logging. So keep in mind that if you're registered for adult or teen, you're going to be logging in the same way that you do for children's. So across the top of the page, there are some tabs. The first one is challenge badges. Challenge badges are, you earn this one when you registered for the challenge. This reader actually already completed the challenge. This badge is earned when you have received 20 badges or earned 20 badges in the children's challenge. And this reader already did that. So it will remain black and white until you complete the challenge. Logging badges are right here. And this reader logged most of their reading badges. They must have earned 20 badges by doing a combination of reading and logging. Just to give you an example of how to log your reading, I'm going to show you. You click on the badge, hit log the next minute, click on minutes, choose the date, go down below and enter how many minutes you read. You have the option of adding the title or the author. You can also write a review for what you read, and this will all be tracked in the Beanstack app or the Beanstack on the site. So I'm going to hit log, and I unlocked that badge because I read for 20 minutes. So that's how you log your reading. We'll go back out here, and you'll see down here that my badge went from being black and white to colored. So I will go back up to the top and show you how to log activity badges. Very similar, you're just going to click on the badge. One thing to keep in mind with the activity badges are some of them are tied to certain dates, so they are not active yet. If you click on one that's not active, you'll see it has a date here and it will not allow you to log or it won't allow you to choose any of these options because it's not active yet until a certain date. We're going to choose one that doesn't have a date attached, such as virtual program. So you're going to scroll down and see what your options are. This one only has one, which is watch a virtual program on our Cambria County Library YouTube channel. So we're going to say we did that, and all you need to do is click in the box to say you did the activity, and that unlocks the badge. So that is how you earn badges in Beanstack. If you write any reviews, your review badges are under here. This is your total of earned badges right here. So if you're trying to get to that 20, it's a combination of reading and activity badges to get to 20. The beginning badge, which is the registration badge, and the completion badge do not count towards those 20. It has to be 20 activity and logging badges. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to call us. We're happy to help you out. Thank you.